guys, so if you're having a skin concern like dullness, acne, blemishes, and hyperpigmentation, I will suggest this COSRX product because it really helps the skin condition. So for me, I having a hyperpigmentation on my skin, and this COSRX helps a lot to hydrate my skin every day, especially during this summer, very hot here in Saudi Arabia. So first, I will wash my face, cleanser, toner, and I will apply this essence. The Snail 96 essence is really good, super hydrating, and the texture, it's very lightweight and it's really absorbed on my skin. You can see this, but not feel sticky on my skin. So as you can see, it really hydrates and to make the skin look glass skin. I really like COSRX MUCIN because it makes my skin smooth, healthier, look glowing, and so hydrating. So next, I will apply this cream, all-in-one cream. So look this texture. The texture of this cream is like a slime or slimy. It's look thicker, but it's very lightweight as I apply on my skin. It's not sticky on my skin, and it feels really good. And it has a cooling effect, so I may suggest store it in a cold area to have more cooler effect on the skin. So you need to apply it by morning and night skincare. So this is my skin. See, after I apply this cream, look this one, but it's not really sticky on my skin. So it makes my skin so smooth. Then of course, hydrated, look glowing and glass skin. So I always suggest to my friends COSRX if they're having a pimple problem or acne skin. This combo is really good because the ingredients is so gentle to the skin, especially if you're a beginner user, and it helps the skin more healthier, soft, supple, and dewy. Of course, glass skin finish. As you can see, it's glass skin. So yeah, so I really like this, and it's very lightweight only in the skin. Even it has a Snail MUCIN, but I swear it's really lightweight and non-sticky. So I will recommend this skincare to all beginners having a sensitive skin. Before you use the skincare, you need to have a pat test first. Maybe it's good for me and it's not good for you. So you can try first the mini, so just to check if it works on your skin. So I've been using COSRX before, and it really helps hyperpigmentation on my skin, especially my pimple marks here. Before, I really have a pimple marks here, and now it's lightened and non-visible. So now I'm focusing on my pigmentation here, the sunspot. So keep on watching, and if you want to purchase this product, just visit on yesstyle and use my code LORSEP28 for your discount.